you're interested in knowing 8 different ways on how to wear a buttoned up shirt, then keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a styling video for you. I'm going to be showing you 8 ways that you can wear a buttoned up shirt. I've been watching so many of these videos recently and I just thought it'd be really fun to do my own and just put my own spin on things. Obviously you can use any shirt you want, but I'm going to use this tartan shirt that I've got, which is actually from Collusion from ASOS, and it's such a banger. I absolutely love this tartan shirt, but obviously you can just wear whatever shirt you want and apply these techniques to any shirt that you own. So whether that be just like a plain white shirt or like a floral one, an leopard print one, a striped one, any sort of shirt that you absolutely desire, you can apply these techniques to. But before I get on with the video, please don't forget to like this video because it will really help me out, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make more videos like this every single week, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be updated on when I next upload. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So this is the classic way how I would generally wear a shirt. I'd usually just have it buttoned down with a crop top underneath or a t-shirt and just wear it really casual. And you can always like put the sleeves up as well, just for a really casual feel to the look. I absolutely love this way of wearing a button up shirt. I just think it looks so cool, so effortless, and it's a bit of me. I absolutely love this. Now this is a bit à la française, but it's basically just like a over the shoulder sort of style. This can be applied with any shirt that you own, and it's just a very relaxed but yet trendy way to wear a shirt. It is a little bit annoying, like if you're moving a lot and going somewhere, I wouldn't recommend it, but a lot of people wear this sort of look like at London Fashion Week and stuff like that, so it's very trendy and very Parisian. But yeah, I absolutely love this as well. The next one is a really cool style. This is just a buttoned up style, and it's just so effortless and easy to rock, just buttoning up the whole shirt, and it just completely transforms your shirt, I feel, and generally like your whole outfit as well, and just has more of a quirky feel to it and a bit different, and I like a bit of that. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I just think that it's such a different way of styling a shirt and I love it. Next up, we have a one button look. I absolutely love this. I think this is also very cool. I think this has only just gained popularity. I swear I didn't hear of this look like 10 years ago, but I just think it's very on trend, very cool. As you can see from my face, it's a little bit tight, but if you've got a shirt that's oversized enough, hopefully you won't get that issue. But yeah, I just think this is so cool, so chill, and I'm all for it. This is a technique that I use all the time, especially if you're too hot and just like sour in the garden, but I absolutely love this. It's also like a little bit grungy. You can imagine like rocking out to Download looking like this. Absolutely love this. I just think it's just such an effortless way of styling a shirt, because then you don't actually need to hold it either, as long as it doesn't slip off. But yeah, I absolutely love this as well, and it just looks really cool. This one is more of a bit of a Western sort of feel. You just sort of tie the ends of your shirt and make it into a crop which is tied at the front, which I absolutely love. I absolutely love this sort of style. I just think it's so relaxed, so slouchy, yet so put together, and it just completely transforms your outfit and makes it into something completely different. And then maybe you could roll up the sleeves as well, just for a really, really cool casual look. It's very, very, very hippie-ish, but I absolutely love it. It's just very relaxed. This is just so cool. I absolutely dig this look. This one takes a bit of practice. It's the on the shoulder look. So if you just put your shirt slightly down on your shoulders and button up the bottom part of your shirt, it creates a really cool, sort of interesting sort of vibe to your outfit. I absolutely love this. It's a little bit annoying though. It's very, very, very irritating on your arms. So I'd highly recommend having a play around, see what is comfortable and what works for you. But I just got so annoyed with it because it was just really, really like, it's just in a weird place on my forearm. So I moved it up slightly and it just feels a lot better and a lot more comfortable, and it's just like really cool, really relaxed and very, very slouchy, and I'm all about that life, and I just think it just looks very, very, very well put together. So the last look that we have is the one shoulder technique. I have recently discovered this from watching a lot of Jordan Lipscomb's videos. I literally have never heard of this technique before, but she tends to wear her shirt like this as well, and I'm literally obsessed with this. As you can see, I struggled a little bit, but I got there in the end. But yeah, this is just such a cool vibe. It just looks very, very slick and sophisticated, as well as it being very slouchy and on trend. And yeah, I absolutely love this look as well. It just is very, very casual and just looks so cool and effortless. And yeah, I absolutely love this as well. This is just so, so cool. So that is the end of this video, guys. I really, really hope that you enjoyed it and got some sort of inspiration from it, because I know I absolutely love these sorts of videos. So I really, really hope that I helped you to find just like a different way on how to style a tartan shirt or whatever shirt you want. I don't know why I keep referring to a tartan one, probably because I'm wearing one myself, but obviously you can use any shirt, as I've already discussed. I'm going to stop rambling. Please remember to like this video because it will really, really help me out. Maybe comment down below if you're going to use any of the techniques that I suggested within your next few outfits, or maybe when perhaps we actually finally come out of lockdown and you can go out, go to the cinema, go to the shops, that sort of thing. Let me know down in the comments what sort of techniques you're going to be wearing when this is all over, whenever that is going to happen. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make content like this every single week, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be updated on when I next upload. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you are all safe and well and keeping sane in this difficult time. I will see you very, very soon for our next video. Bye, guys.